Okay, this is a very big day. Number one, because the UNC Tar Heels have a chance to win the national championship tonight. I'd like to say that it's after the Duke game, that that was the hard game, but we don't know. We'll just have to wait and see whether they can handle and wrangle Kansas tonight. But it's an even bigger day because I just received my very first shipment order from Red Wolf Comics. And so I thought that all of you at home might want to see what I got. So, 2 boxes, double the fun. Look at that. From Jacob Quimby, Red Wolf Comics, 3513 Tree Line Anchors, Selma, Texas. All the way from Texas, straight to my front door. And I ordered 2 awesome things. And I can't wait to see how much more awesome they are in the flesh or in the plastic. In real life. Here we go. Oh, and as I open up, whoa. Oh man. What is this? Is this like a little bonus thing? Oh, dude. Catwoman. That's awesome. Down with that. I mean, I am married to Selena, spelled the same way. Oh, got the Red Wolf Comics card. Oh, yeah. Oh, awesomeness. Bubble wrap for my protection. Check this out. Yeah, this was the perfect one. I was missing this one. It is Bruce Wayne from The Batman. Dressed up for the funeral, I guess it was. That's what it was, the funeral. So we gotta have that. Gotta have Bruce. Like I've got Batman, I've got Catwoman, and I've got Batman with his mask off, and you can see the running mascara. So gotta have Batman and Bruce Wayne, one and the same. Awesome, fantastic, immaculate condition. I'm gonna tell you this. It's very clear Red Wolf Comics does it right. So double check and make sure I'm not missing anything. Got a little bonus goodie. How cool is that? And by the way, like, how awesome is this? How sharp is that that logo and that graphic work? I mean, that's pretty sick. So they're gonna take the comic world by storm. And I'm honored to be a part of that legacy. All right. Here's the second one. Here we go. I know what's supposed to be in here, but I've never seen this before. So I am all the more excited. Just so I can't stand it. I'm ready. I'm trying to make sure I don't tear the box up open. Let's try this way. Oh, by the way, here's a little plug. The Benchmade Bug Out. The perfect everyday carry knife. Lightweight, super cool color blue, my favorite color blue. And absolutely able to handle anything that the average person, or slightly above average, knife carrier can throw at it. Yep, that's right. The Benchmade Bug Out. Available at your local knife retailer. Oh, one more cut. Oh, got me another cut. Yeah, I'm confused about this here box. There we go. I'm just tearing into it. It's like Christmas morning. I mean, what can you do? Ooh. Hold the phone. What is this? Oh my gosh. My very own Red Wolf Comics t-shirt. Holy cow. That is awesome. Oh, I'm going to be repping that like crazy. So, dude. What in the world? Oh my God. And there's more things in here. What? Check out this awesome Batman shirt. Dude. That is sick. Amazing. Golly. Red Wolf's Comics is going to have me like have the apparel situation on lock. Hold on. What is this? Oh. Charmander, my favorite. My starter Pokemon from the Kanto region. Gotta love his little flamey tail. So that's awesome. Super cool. Boo and Lou, my girls would love that. So that is fantastic. By the way, so much more than I bargained for. I don't know if every order comes like this, but being that I was one of the first, this is super awesome. Like way more than I anticipated. Like, I mean, this is really amazing. Ooh, the Batman Play Pack Grab and Go. One surprise foam character, one sticker sheet, one velvet poster, one stencil, 8 crayons, 32-page full coloring book. Dude, me and the girls are going to tear this thing up. They love Batman too, because they know Dad loves Batman. So, that is amazing. And, I got a personal note that I will read later. But here, oh boy, here's what I've been looking for. Okay, now look at this. Now this is packed between cardboard, protected in the most epic of ways. Got the nice packing slip right on it. Red Wolf Comics. Okay, so Darkwing Duck is my all-time fave. And Jacob at Red Wolf Comics found me something for my collection that I did not have, which was the very first, number one, numero uno, number one. If you watch SNL, you'll get that joke. Don't have a stroke if you're watching this, Jacob. Being very gentle. Oh, don't want to do it on that side. The very first number one from way back when I was a kid, 1991. So, hang up, somebody's calling me. They're going to have to wait. It's gift day from Red Wolf Comics. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Look at this. Pristine condition. Like exactly as advertised. Nearly perfect in every way. I mean, this was 1991. So that means I was 4 when this came out. And like, I have the run that came out recently, past few years ago. But this, I didn't have this. Like, how amazing is this? Look, if you're a Darkwing Duck fan, like, I bet you're super jelly right now. Because I have a number one from the OG comic series. How amazing is that? Okay, so like, we got to recap here. All right? We got to recap. Awesome. Bonus little Catwoman, little gift. Amazing Charizard plush. And 2 awesome t-shirts. Of course, the Red Wolf Comics t-shirt. Like, can't go wrong there. Bruce Wayne pop. I mean, don't leave home without it. And fun playthings for the girls and me, or maybe just me. And of course, the pinnacle, a literal piece of my childhood that I can save and keep forever. So, I personally could not be happier. I mean, I'm going to tell you like this. I think you'd be hard-pressed to find anywhere on planet Earth that can top what Red Wolf Comics has done for this old boy today. Made my day all the way. Can't go wrong. Red Wolf Comics. Make sure you check them out, guys. RedWolfComics.com.